Hello my wonderful students, and welcome to this lecture on how to create a file from the command line. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and open up your terminal and toggle over to your desktop directory. Alright, before we get started, I want to review a concept we covered in the previous lecture. When you create a new directory or file in Unix, this directory or file will be created in your current working directory. So that being said, let's go ahead and make our first file from the command line. We will use the command touch to do so, so we will type in touch and we will call this file test.py and go ahead and hit enter. You can see our new test.py file has popped up in our desktop directory. Now, what if we wanted to make two files in one line of code? Well, to do this, we will do the same thing as we did when we created a directory, except we will use the touch command. So touch test_1.py space test_2.py. Remembering that the space tells Unix that these are two separate files. So go ahead and hit enter. And there we go, we have test1 and test2. So, just as in the previous lecture, I want us to go over proper naming convention. Again, this is so important. If, for example, our boss came to us and asked us to create a file in our directory and name this file test_4, and we went to our directory and titled it touch test space 4.py, well, we would create a problem. This would create two files instead of one, and I will show this by executing this command. And we will see that there is now a test file and a .4py file. So it is important to be aware of naming convention. This is the type of thing that can cause major problems later down the road in a production environment. So again, thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and I'll see you at the next one. Until then, happy learning.